3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hello everyone, we will begin the event in a few minutes from now, requesting everyone to kindly take their seats. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of UFO Movies Limited, India Limited, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are thrilled to really have you join us today this morning, and we are going to commemorate the listing of UFO Movies India Limited on Bombay Stock Exchange in this very iconic BSE Convention Hall. As we commence the proceedings of this truly momentous occasion, the listing ceremony of UFO Movies in the pristine premises of Bombay Stock Exchange, before we begin, I would request all of you to kindly rise in respect of the national anthem. Thank you.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Just to give you a little brief on the company, UFO Movies India Limited is India's largest digital cinema distribution network and in-cinema advertising platform in terms of number of screens. It operates India's largest satellite-based digital cinema distribution network using UFO M4 platform, as well as India's largest D-cinema network. In fiscal year 2014, it digitally delivered more than 1,500 movies in 22 languages to 4,703 screens with aggregate seating capacity of approximately 215 million viewers spread across India. Since the beginning of operations, it has digitally delivered more than 8,800 movies in India until February 28, 2015. As on that date, its global network spanned 6,626 screens worldwide. What's also interesting to know, ladies and gentlemen, is that the name behind the crazy phenomenon of first day, first show fad in India is none other than CFO Movies India Limited. The efficient satellite-based delivery enabled theaters across India to download new movies with the click of a mouse soon after its release. This also changed the entire economics for the cinema industry and theater owners. As they get access to films simultaneously with these, they get good numbers of viewers and has hugely enhanced box office collections. Perhaps it won't be wrong to say that the 100 crore movie clubs are also a byproduct of the company offerings. So it is a significant moment, ladies and gentlemen, that a company with an iconic brand is debuting today on the stock exchange. We have with us here today a glittering array of dignitaries from UFO Movies India and the investment banking community, partners, and other investors. It is now my pleasure to invite all of them on the dais. Welcome with me first, the man of the moment, Mr. Sanjay Gaikwad, promoter and managing director, UFO Movies India Limited. Mr. Gaikwad has been a recipient of several awards for innovation and entrepreneurship over the years. Welcome, sir. Kindly accept the flowers. Next, we have with us Mr. Kapil Agarwal, Joint Managing Director, UFO Movies India Limited. Welcome, sir. Inviting next, Mr. Ashish Maluste, Chief Financial Officer, UFO Moviez, India Limited. I now invite Mr. Dharmesh Mehta from Axis Capital Limited. Kindly accept the bouquet, sir. Next, we have with us Mr. Ravi Kapoor from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. And now inviting on the dais the host for today, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO of BSE. Thank you, gentlemen, and we welcome all of you. Now, to mark an auspicious beginning, I invite all the distinguished guests on the dais to kindly proceed towards the lamp for the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. May I also request members from the family to kindly join in? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. To commence proceedings, let me now invite Mr. Dharmesh Mehta from Axis Capital Limited to make the opening remarks.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, on behalf of Axis Capital and the entire syndicate team, let me congratulate the management of UFO Moviez for this marquee IPO. I don't know how many cinema goers till now enriched their movie-going experience thanks to them. So, especially the single screen. So, a big thank you to Sanjay and his team for delivering the big blockbusters of 100 crore plus. So, it's all thanks to them. Let me thank Sanjay once again for working behind the scene and taking Indian cinema to a level where it is today. We can proudly say that it's a privilege for all of us to be associated with a unique company like UFO. In continuation of our track record of bringing you unique business model, we bring you yet another star, UFO Moviez. The UFO deal, as you all know, was launched in midst of a lot of volatility. And despite all the challenges, we were able to garner a good interest from the retail investors, the HNI, and especially the QIP investors. But markets are markets. And I would strongly suggest and request Sanjay and Kapil, Ashish, and the entire UFO team to not only meet the investor expectations, but continuously exceed the expectations. As picture to bhi baki hai, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta. Now, to hear it from the man of the moment, I invite Mr. Sanjay Gaikwad, promoter and managing director, UFO Moviez India Limited, to kindly come and share a few words with us.
So, good morning, everyone. First of all, on behalf of Mr. Narendra Hete, myself, Valuable Group, and Apollo Group, as a promoter of the company, I would like to thank all of you for joining us on this momentous occasion. It has been a very excellent 10 years journey where we saw a disruptive concept converting into an entity which has created tremendous value to all the stakeholders in our ecosystems, primarily producer, distributors, and exhibitors. Today, with 4,911 screens and which are still growing, we are the largest satellite-based cinema digital network in India. We always created a win-win value proposition to our primary stakeholders. Also, with 3,770 screens, we are the largest in-cinema advertisement network in the country. We deliver multi-million eyeballs on our platform to the advertisers. In coming years, we'll be actually we'll be leveraging our strength and we'll be creating a new initiatives which will further enhance value to our existing stakeholders, which is producer, distributor on one hand, while on the other hand, we will be creating an innovative advertisement solution so that the advertisers can enhance their return on investment on every $1 which they spend on our advertisement platform. I would like to thank all our existing shareholders for trusting our vision and for helping us and guiding us during this exciting journey. I would like to welcome all the new shareholders, and I would like to thank them for trusting our company, and I would like to promise them that we will continue delivering our business plan and enhancing the shareholders' value. Lastly, I would like to thank each and everyone at UFO who has contributed significantly to this historic moment for the group. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Gaikwad. I now invite Mr. Kapil Agarwal, Joint Managing Director, UFO Moviez India, to kindly come and share a few words.
Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of UFO Moviez. I don't know what to say because Sanjay said it all. He summarized it very well. I'm just standing on this podium, I'm just going down the memory lanes. 10 years back, I was working with Raja in Apollo, and Sanjay shared his plan with me. That was probably April of 2005, exactly like 10 years back. And in the month of May, I made the first investment in UFO Moviez on behalf of Raja and Apollo Group. And we became the angel investor. And today, as joint managing director of the company, I am addressing all of you. Now I'm on this side of the table. And all I can say is, today is the moment when UFO Moviez has achieved the full financial maturity, I would say. And it has gone through the full financial life cycle which a company generally can go. So starting from angel investment from Apollo in 2005 to venture capital funding by 3i, And Sainath is here, he's the guy who actually invested in the company along with Manu. Manu is here now. In 2011, after the venture capital funding, we took the private equity funding, and that is what Providence reposed trust in us. Varun is here. Thank you, Varun. And finally, today we have IPO'd the company, and the new set of shareholders, 75,000 of them have reposed trust in this company. All I can say is thank you all. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal. Next, I call upon Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO of the Bombay Stock Exchange, to address the gathering.
Morning, everybody. On behalf of BSE, I welcome all of you to the listing ceremony of UFO Moviez Limited on the BSE platform at the International Convention Hall of BSE. On behalf of BSE, we would like to welcome Sri Sanjay Shankar Gaikwad, MD, UFO Moviez, Sri Kapil Kumar Agarwal, Joint MD, UFO Moviez, Sri Ashish Maluste, CFO UFO Moviez, Sri Dharmesh Mehta of Axis, Sri Ravi Kapoor of Citibank, Sri Raja Kanwar of Apollo. We would also like to welcome all the representatives of merchant bankers, registrars, auditors, and other employees of the company. Ladies and gentlemen, BSE is Asia's first stock exchange set up in 1875. And it's also now the fastest exchange with a response time of 200 microseconds. In a second, there are 1 million microseconds. We give you response time at 1 by 5,000 of a second. BSE is completing its 140 years next month. The International Convention Hall has seen development of Indian capital markets over the last 1.5 centuries, first as a trading ring for the brokers and then as a convention hall post-digitization. BSE has offered an efficient capital raising platform to companies in India over decades. Today, the market capitalization of companies listed on BSE is more than 100 lakh crore rupees. Incorporated in 2004, UFO Moviez is India's largest digital cinema distribution network and in-cinema advertising platform, according to CRISIL. They operate India's largest satellite-based digital cinema distribution network. I have a personal experience with the entire team, including Sanjay, Kapil, and Raj, and they are truly professional. And Sanjay for me is a true hero for modern India, a first-generation entrepreneur coming and listing on BSE on the main board first time. Thank you, sir. In fiscal 2014, they digitally delivered more than 1,500 movies in 22 languages to 4,703 screens with aggregate seating capacity of 2.14 million viewers spread across India. UFO Moviez entered the primary market on 28th April with initial price band of 615 to 625. Its IPO was oversubscribed by almost 1.76 times, with retail category oversubscription at over 1.0053 times, while non-institutional category got oversubscribed more than 1.18 times. The issue closed on 30th April with final issue price of 625 per share and the total issue size of 600 crore. More than 75,000 retail investors participated in this IPO. That also shows that Indian IPO market is now coming back. The lead managers for UFO Moviez are Axis Capital and Citigroup Global. With the successful completion of its IPO, UFO is now the newest member to the BSE family. BSE is the world's largest exchange in terms of number of listed companies, standing over 5,663 companies. The benchmark index of BSE is tracked by investors across the globe, and BSE's recent association, such as trading under Big Smart, tie-up with S&P indices, etc., has only added to the popularity of Sensex. As most of you are aware, India's first stock exchange has also become its fastest. Now traders can put more than 500,000 orders in 1 second. If IRCTC books 5 lakh orders in a day, it is considered a great day for them. We can do that in 1 second. I would also like to extend my best wishes to UFO Moviez and its entire team on this momentous occasion and wish them all the success in their future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. To mark this proud occasion, I now invite Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO of the BSc, to present a memento to Mr. Sanjay Gaikwad, MD, UFO Movies India. In a reciprocal gesture, I invite Mr. Sanjay Gaikwad to present a memento to Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes, precisely 8 minutes from now, we will be going ahead for the bell ringing ceremony. But before we get there, let's formally appreciate the efforts of all those who have actively participated in bringing UFO Movies India where it is today and made this event a success. Requesting Mr. Sanjay Gaikwad, MD UFO Movies India, to now present mementos to the following people. I invite on the dais Mr. Dharmesh Mehta from Axis Capital Limited. Mr. Ravi Kapoor from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. Representative from AZB and Partners. Official from SNR Associates. Representatives from Latham and Watkins LLP. Okay, so we will present the memento to them otherwise. Next, we have with us statutory auditor official from SR Batley Boy and Associates. Inviting next, Mr. Francis Fernandez, Zonal Head, Carvey Computer Share Private Limited. Inviting next, representative from the printers. Okay, we don't have anyone here right now, I believe. So then next I would invite Mr. Rajesh Chaturvedi, Chairman, Ad Factors Advertising and PR. Thank you, gentlemen. Mr. Ravi Kapoor from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited to address the gathering now and deliver the vote of thanks.
So good morning, everyone, and thank you for gracing this momentous occasion. It's indeed a very special occasion in the journey of UFO Moviez. Kapil said they've completed 10 years, and of course, it's a major milestone which only comes once in the life of the company. So all the very and many, many congratulations to Sanjay, Kapil, Ashish, the entire team of UFO Moviez, the investors of UFO Moviez, the families of everyone. On behalf of Axis and City, I would like to thank all of you to having given us this mandate, believing in us, taking our advice, and reposing confidence in us. Thank you for all that. Many congratulations on the great success of the IPO. I wish you a huge listing, a very good listing. You have now, as Kapil you said, a family of about 75,000 shareholders. I have no doubt, like you've given a great experience to cinema goers, you will give a great experience to your investors as well. So thank you and celebrate. I would just like to close by saying that today is not only a celebration of the listing, but today is a celebration of entrepreneurship, innovation, which UFO Moviez is a great example of. So again, many, many congratulations. All the very best for your listing, and wish you great success in times to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This is a proud moment for the company, and we have about 2 minutes to go for the bell-ringing ceremony. So how about I tell you about the recent awards that the company has won? Isn't it a nice platform to showcase what it's achieved? The recent award was India's Top SME 100 Awards for 2014. India Inc. 500 Certificate for Excellence in Tradition of Exemplary Growth in 2012. Marico Innovation Foundation's Innovation for India Award 2012. Award for Business Innovation. Technology Fast 50 India 2010 winner. This was by Deloitte. The Advertising Club Awards for Excellence in Advertising and Media for Media Innovation Digital Gold in 2007. The IDEA IIFA Innovation Award in Indian Cinema in 2007. And Global Entrepolis at Singapore Award for Technopreneur of the Year in the Asia Pacific region in 2007. All our members on the dais are already at the gong, and at the count of 10, we are going to begin the countdown. I request everyone to kindly join me for that. Ladies and gentlemen, I request your participation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Congratulations. UFO Moviez India Limited is now officially listed on the BSE platform. And now, as the event comes to an end, I once again take this opportunity to thank all of you for making this event successful. We truly appreciate your support and your presence. Kindly join us for refreshments hereafter and have a great day. Thank you.